And welcome. The purpose of this session is to showcase how to work with causes with the smartQED Slack bot. The causes are potential causes of problems which lead to the symptoms that we see whenever we are looking at an incident and we want to solve that. So these causes form different nodes of the investigation map. We'll get to understand this a bit more once we have added a few causes. So let me first show how to add a cause. The command to do that is very simply add cause. Now once we enter that, a panel opens up to guide us through the rest of the process. So we first need to provide a path. Where do we want to add the cause? Everything starts at the top. So this is the head node or the head cause. And underneath that, the problem that we are connected to right now already has a fair bit of causes, and we can enter anywhere we want. So right now, let's just say we want to enter it under application issue. So let me select that, and now within that, we can select whatever we want. So let's say I want to select saying another cause, just for the heck of it. So there, and the request is queued, and we'll quickly get a confirmation that, yeah, a new cause, another cause has been added as a child. And it will also generate the visual map for us. I'll need to expand this a bit so that we can see it. And as you can see, under application issue right there at the top, another cause has been added. Let me close this out and go back. Okay, here we are. So, but as you can see, this was created right underneath here. We can even go deeper and create nested causes. The command remains add cause, but this time when we select the path, remember we had application issue, another cause. So I'm going to select another cause, and maybe this time I'm going to call it subcause. And once again, the request will be queued, and we will quickly get a confirmation that a new cause has been added. And we should also get to see the map again. And that's nice. Cause, can expand it. And as you can see, beside another cause, a folder icon has come up. What that tells us that a subcause has been added underneath that. So that's how it works. And we can keep on going. In fact, let me quickly show you something. And you can add further nestings if you want. Even under subcause, you can add another one, etc., etc. And there are lots of causes that this problem already has, and you can pick up. Like for example, here this is pretty deep. All right. So this is how we add causes and add nested causes. What if we want to rename something? We enter a name and we figure out that's not really what we want it to be. So we can rename a cause. And the command to do that is QED rename. As usual, we will be asked to select the cause to rename. So like for example, we entered another cause. We can go there and we can just say new cause instead of another cause. Or instead of another cause, we can say another issue, whatever you want. And this will get routed, and we get the confirmation that the cause, another cause has been changed to another issue. And once again, we get the visual confirmation. We can expand, and you can confirm that another cause, the label has now become another issue. So that's how we add a cause and we rename a cause. We can even remove causes if we don't want them anymore. And the command to do that is RM cause. RM is short for remove. As usual, we will be asked which one do we remove. So let's say the subcause, we won't be able to see that. So let's say this subcause is the one, the nested cause that we wanted to remove. Let's delete that. And it has been successfully deleted. And this time we will see that the folder icon has disappeared, and I can confirm that. There is no subcause inside another issue now, and that folder icon is gone. And if you want to really take it to the next level, you can just say RM cause, and even there's another issue that you entered. You can get rid of that. We will quickly get a confirmation that another issue has been deleted, and we will also get a visual confirmation, and as you can see, another issue has disappeared, it's no longer there. So in the course of an investigation, we will need to add causes, add nested and deeply nested causes. We might need to delete causes, rename causes, and this is how we'll do all of that. Thank you.